Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is BigZ here from Learn Bengali, and in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to ask someone his or her age in Bengali and how to answer that question in Bengali. So this is a beginner's tutorial, and I'm back making those kind of videos. So without further ado, let's get started on that video. So here we are. How old are you? Right? How do you say that in Bengali? So there you go. Tomar boyosh koto. Tomar boyosh koto. So that's the informal version, and I've written that in Bengali here as well. Tomar boyosh koto. Right? How old are you? Tomar boyosh koto. Simple as that. If you want to be formal, just change this tomar to apnar right here. Apnar boyosh koto. Right? Apnar boyosh koto. So that's that. How old are you? Tomar boyosh koto. Informal. Apnar boyosh koto. Formal. Okay, so that's how you ask someone how old he or she is. Right? Doesn't matter if it's a man or a woman. It's the same thing. Tomar boyosh koto or apnar boyosh koto. Apnar boyosh koto is formal. Tomar boyosh koto is informal. Okay, so let's go over how to answer that question, right? I am 20 years old, right? What is that? Amar boyosh 20 বছর. Amar boyosh 20 বছর. So in this case, 20 is bish, right? 20 is bish. Amar boyosh 20 বছর. I am 20 years old. Okay. Amar boyosh 20 বছর. Amar boyosh 20 বছর. Just like that. Okay, and there's another way you can answer this question. It's very similar, but a little bit of there's a little bit of twist in it. That's it. So I am 20 years old can be translated as Ami 20 বছর বয়সী. It's not commonly used, but you can say that. You're probably gonna sound weird. I'm telling you. So Ami 20 বছর বয়সী. বয়সী. Ami 20 বছর বয়সী, right? You can also answer that in Bengali. But this is used prominently in Bangladesh and in what is it, West Bengal out there, yeah. So আমার বয়স 20 বছর. So someone asks you like, how old are you? তোমার বয়স কত? Or আপনার বয়স কত? And you can answer by saying আমার বয়স 20 বছর. You can also say আমি 20 বছর বয়সী. It's not that common, but you can also say that. By the way, Google Translate has this translation. আমি 20 বছর বয়সী. So that's that. So let's go over that one more time. How old are you? Tomar boyosh koto. That's informal. Apnar boyosh koto. That's formal, right? If you're asking someone who's older than you, just use that. Apnar boyosh koto. Apnar boyosh koto, right? And how do you answer this question? How do you answer this question? I am 20 years old. Amar boyosh 20 বছর. Simple as that. You can also use Ami 20 বছর বয়সী, but that's not commonly used. Just letting you know, okay? But yeah, I mean, but you can use both of them, even though this is not used that commonly. It doesn't matter. Use it. People are gonna be like, "Ooh, you can say that too." But hey, that's it from me for this time. This is your boy BigZ from Learn Bengali. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and do not forget to subscribe. BigZ out.